If you want to make a React app on VS Code, then just paste this command and you faces this type of problem. And how to resolve it? To resolve this problem, just copy this path go to File Explorer and just paste this path here. This problem is arise due to npm folder are not present in our this path. Therefore, just remove the npm and enter it and create here a npm folder new manually. Just give the name to it npm, yeah, and then try. Just paste. And it will be successfully starting the installing of React files. Thank you.